Hi there, this is Maths with Angela doing Pythagoras with you. This is kind of level 5 and above. So here we've got a square with right angle corners. The length of it is 4x, so they're all 4x. M is a midpoint, so that means this line is cut in half. N is a point along the line AN, and this length here is x. And this triangle shaded in the middle, they're saying, is a right angle triangle, and they've put the symbol in there. So they say find an expression in terms of x for the area of the triangle shaded in the middle. Give it in its simplest form. In other words, cancel it down if you can. So what we need to remember is how to work out the area of a triangle. And with a right angle triangle, it's the base times the vertical height. So we need to find BM and NM. So first of all, we're going to find BM. So we're going to use the triangles around the outside to help us. So if I'm trying to find BM, I'm going to use this white triangle down here. So I already know, using Pythagoras' theorem, that this squared plus this squared and square root that answer will give me the longest side, the hypotenuse. So I'm going to do the square root of this length here, B to C, which is 4x, because that's the length of the square, and I'm going to square it. And then I'm going to add on the other length. Now, because this is a midpoint, it cuts it in half, so that's 2x. So I'm going to square 2x. So if I work these out, I'm going to square the 4, which gives me 16. I'm going to square the x, which gives me x squared. Then I'm going to add on this, square the 2, which is 4, square the x, which is x squared. And if I add those together, I end up with 20x squared. I'm going to leave it like that for calculation in the area a bit later. So what I want you to have a go at is to work out the length NM. Okay, I'll give you a clue. This length here is x and this length here is 2x because it's the same as this one here. Okay, so have a pause and have a go at working out NM. Okay then, so see if we've got the same answer. So square root, we're going to do x squared. Okay, so we've got x squared, and then the other one, which is 2 squared, which is 4, and x squared, which is x squared. So if I add those together, I get the square root of 5x squared, because when I add 1x squared and 4x squared, I get 5x squared. Okay, so that's good. Now we've got to work out the area of this shaded triangle. So we need to do the base times the height and then half it. So if you want to have a go at doing that. Okay then, so let's have a go at doing that together. So we're doing the length BM, which is the square root of 20x squared. And we're multiplying it by the height, which is square root of 5x squared, and then we're halving it, dividing it by 2. So I'm going to multiply these, I can put them under the same square root, so square root of 20 times 5, which is 100, x squared times x squared is x to the power of 4, all divided by 2. So simplify again, so the square root of 100 is 10, the square root of x to the power of 4 is x squared, over 2. Cancel it down further, I end up with 5x squared as my area. Hopefully that was helpful and you understood it. Well done if you got the right answer. Great. Bye.